Vegan camping food ideas. Delicious and easy. Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Vegan Dose, your go-to channel for everything vegan and vibrant. Are you ready to dive into some deliciousness? Today, we're talking about one of my favorite things, vegan camping food. That's right. We're going to make sure you have all the best eats for your next outdoor adventure. Whether you're a seasoned camper or a newbie, having the right food can make your outdoor adventure absolutely unforgettable. And you know we're going to do it all with love and good vibes. Ready to enjoy the great outdoors with some delicious vegan eats? Let's get started. And before we dive in, make sure to like and subscribe to Vegan Dose for more awesome vegan tips and inspiration. Overnight oats. Your camping breakfast champion. Let's talk about breakfast. When you're camping, you want something easy to pack, eat, and delicious. Overnight oats are where it's at. Start with mason jars. Pack them with rolled oats. Add your favorite fruits. Don't forget the crunch. Pecans, walnuts, or chia seeds. Pour in plant-based milk. Pop them in the cooler overnight. Enjoy endless flavor combos. Vegan pancake mix. Campfire ready and oh so fluffy. Okay, now who doesn't love a stack of fluffy pancakes in the morning? And guess what? You can totally enjoy them while camping, even if you're vegan. Grab yourself some vegan pancake mix. There are so many great options available now. And to make it super convenient for camping, pack some plant-based milk powder too. When you're ready for breakfast, just add water to your pancake mix. Whisk it up, and you're good to go. It's like magic, but with pancakes. Now for that campfire cooking experience, heat up a skillet over your campfire or camping stove. Pour in some of that batter and watch those pancakes puff up into golden brown perfection. The best part? The toppings. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, a drizzle of maple syrup. Ooh, it makes my mouth water just thinking about it. And for my chocolate lovers, a sprinkle of vegan chocolate chips will make those pancakes extra special. Veggie wraps, your go-to for a quick and easy camping lunch. All right, y'all, let's talk lunch. When you're out exploring and adventuring, you need something quick, easy, and satisfying. And that's where these awesome veggie wraps come in. They're like little bundles of happiness packed with flavor and good-for-you ingredients. Start with some tortillas, whole wheat or corn, your choice. Now, for the star of the show, the hummus. Spread a generous layer of that creamy goodness on your tortilla. It's going to add so much flavor and keep those veggies in place. Speaking of veggies, let's load them up. Slice up some bell peppers, cucumbers, and spinach. Oh, and don't forget the sprouts. Sprouts add a delightful crunch and a boost of nutrients. For an extra protein punch, add some pre-cooked tofu or tempeh. You can even marinate them beforehand for an explosion of flavor. Chapter 4. Chickpea Salad. Your refreshing and protein-packed lunchtime treat. Looking for a cool and refreshing lunch? This chickpea salad is perfect. It's hearty, flavorful, and ideal for warm camping days. Start with drained and rinsed chickpeas. Add chopped veggies for texture and crunch. Celery, red onion, and bell peppers are great choices. Use vegan mayo for a creamy dressing. Add Dijon mustard for tang. Fresh dill, parsley, and black pepper elevate the flavor. Pack it in a container and enjoy on crackers, bread, or straight from the container. Chapter 5. Trail Mix. Your customizable energy boost for hiking adventures. All right, adventurers, let's talk about snacks. When you're out on the trails, you need something to keep your energy levels up. And that's where Trail Mix comes in. It's the perfect combination of sweet, salty, crunchy, and oh so satisfying. Plus, you can customize it with all your favorite ingredients. Start with a base of nuts and seeds. Almonds, cashews, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. The possibilities are endless. Now, let's add some dried fruit for a touch of sweetness. Cranberries, raisins, chopped dates, or even some dried mango, go with what your taste buds love. And for a little indulgence, toss in some dark chocolate chips, because hey, we deserve a treat every now and then. Mix it all up in a big bowl and then portion it out into reusable snack bags for easy packing. Now you've got the perfect energy boost to keep you going on those long hikes. Chapter 6. Fruit and Nut Bars. Convenient and nutritious fuel for your adventures. Now sometimes you just want a grab-and-go snack, especially when you're camping. And that's where fruit and nut bars come in handy. They're packed with nutrients, they're easy to pack, and they're perfect for those moments when hunger strikes on the go. Now, you can definitely make your own fruit and nut bars. It's a fun and rewarding experience. But if you're short on time, there are some amazing store-bought vegan options available too. Just make sure to read the ingredients and choose bars that are made with whole foods and minimal added sugars. Look for bars that are packed with nuts, seeds, and dried fruits for a boost of energy and nutrition. Keep a few of these bars in your backpack or cooler, and you'll be prepared for anything. Alright y'all, it's dinner time. And when you're camping, nothing beats a warm, comforting bowl of chili. It's the perfect meal to warm you up from the inside out after a long day of exploring. Now, here's the best part. You can make a big pot of vegan chili at home and bring it along with you. Just store it in a cooler, and then heat it up over the campfire when you're ready to eat. This chili is packed with veggies, beans, and spices, so it's super flavorful and satisfying. You can use any type of beans you like. Kidney beans, black beans, pinto beans, they're all delicious. And for the veggies, I love to add diced tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, and corn. And of course, we can't forget about the spices. Chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika. These spices add so much depth and warmth to the chili. Serve your chili with some crusty bread, cornbread, or a simple salad for a complete and satisfying meal. You know what's amazing about camping? Cooking over an open fire. It just adds a whole other level of flavor to your food. And one of my favorite things to grill over the campfire is veggies. Pack a variety of your favorite veggies: zucchini, bell peppers, mushrooms, onions, asparagus. The possibilities are endless. Now here's the key. Toss those veggies in a little olive oil, salt, pepper, and any other spices you love. This will help prevent them from sticking to the grill and add a ton of flavor. Thread those seasoned veggies onto skewers or place them directly on the grill grates. Cook them over medium heat, turning occasionally until they're tender and slightly charred. The result? Smoky, flavorful veggies that are absolutely irresistible. Alright y'all, it's time for dessert. And when you're camping, there's no better way to end the night than with a classic s'more. And guess what? You can totally enjoy s'mores as a vegan. First things first, you need some vegan marshmallows. There are some amazing brands out there that make the most delicious, gooey vegan marshmallows you'll ever have. Next up, graham crackers. You can find vegan graham crackers at most grocery stores. And for the chocolate, we're going with dark chocolate. It's rich, it's decadent, and it pairs perfectly with the marshmallows and graham crackers. Now for the fun part. Roast your marshmallow over the campfire until it's golden brown and gooey. Then sandwich it between 2 graham crackers with a square of dark chocolate. The heat from the marshmallow will melt the chocolate, creating a gooey, chocolatey, marshmallowy masterpiece. Looking for a lighter and healthier dessert option? Fruit kebabs are the answer. They're easy to make, they're fun to eat, and they're a delicious way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Grab some bamboo skewers and thread on your favorite fruits. I love using a mix of pineapple chunks, strawberries, and banana slices. Now here's the key to intensifying those flavors. Grill those fruit kebabs over the campfire for a few minutes. The heat will caramelize the sugars in the fruit, making them extra sweet and juicy. For an extra touch of sweetness, you can drizzle a little maple syrup over the kebabs before grilling. Or, if you're feeling adventurous, sprinkle them with some cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg. Enjoy these fruit kebabs warm straight off the grill. There you have it, my fellow adventurers. With these vegan camping food ideas, you're all set for a delicious and nutritious outdoor experience. Remember, camping is all about enjoying the simple things in life, being present in nature, connecting with loved ones, and of course, enjoying some good food. And who says you can't have amazing food while camping? These vegan options are so delicious and satisfying, you won't even miss the meat. So pack your bags, grab your camping gear, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Vegan Dose for more vegan tips and recipes. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Have a fantastic camping trip, and remember to enjoy every bite of your vegan adventure. Until next time, stay kind to yourself, to others, and to our beautiful planet. Happy camping!